What is up, everybody? This is FNH here with a brand new video to talk about the solar charger. This is the Tranmix solar charger, and overall I freaking loved how the overall display was, the review for this. So I was like, you know what, I have to review this charger. You know, I've done a lot of portable charger reviews on this channel, but this one, and even solar ones, but this one I feel like it was literally like I don't know, I personally thought it was like off the chart. So let's get right into it. So the price point for this one was $38. They have different colors and different other items as well. I think the other colors cost $2 more. So I got this one for $38. I don't care much about colors, but yeah, let's basically open the box and get right into it. So as you see in the box, we have like it's essentially covered in this sense, as you can see over here, and we have our usual wires and we have our usual items as well, which is says how to leave your review, feedbacks, and all that other good stuff. It just talks about Tranmix cares for you, since this is a company that's making it. It just talks about they want to hear from you. They give you a guarantee of 12 months, which is dope. I like that. They have a 1-year warranty essentially. They have other languages as well. I think this is German, maybe. I think it's German, and obviously they have it in English as well. So we're gonna leave those two items over here for now, and to get right into the chargers itself. So it comes with like a closing item over here, which you can basically, it looks like a box, so like a wallet type thing, so you can essentially have it over here. This is the solar powered portion, and you can see the solar power actually increases literally well versed, like very long, and it is supposed to be 25,000 mAh. So it's going to last you a long time. Like even right now, based off the light's reflection, it's probably charging. But obviously, I think you're supposed to do it within the sun itself. So let's go where the other items are as well. So where you can go from the charger. It comes with a light. You have your USB cables over here, so you can see it comes with the light charger. Your USBs are over here, so where you can essentially charge from. So look, you have your USB-C, you have your regular USB. I believe it has fast charge as well, so you can see it's even on inside. I wonder if it's, yeah, it's being charged. So you can see the light itself, it's being charged. It has your other items here as well. I wonder what this is. I'm actually not sure what this is, but yeah, you can literally see the thing is charging because of the light hitting on it. So it's pretty cool that it actually still, so let's see if I can show you right now. Boom, it's charging. So like I said, the light actually ends up making charge. I'm trying to see what this is, but if I hold the on button for a little longer, the light actually comes on for this as well. So it's like overall action packed. It does the job. It gets the job done. It actually does pretty good. I like it because of those specific factors. Okay, the lights turned off. And yeah, so you can see over here, it just talks about all the information over here as well. Like I said, the 25,000 mAh solar panel. Obviously, you can charge it as well. Do not throw a charger into the fire, obviously, because it would blow up. So I wouldn't recommend that either. But like I said, it literally comes in a booklet type form. So if you want to do a solar charger, let's say you're out in a hike or something and you want to charge it, you can. If you want to use your other features over here just to charge it normally, you can as well. And like I said, it comes with the USB and it has all those different features. So it's pretty cool. I like it because of those specific factors. So yeah. Like I said, and especially the price point. One, it can charge very well your phones or whatever items you want to charge, your iPad, your phone, all those different things. It can charge 2 devices simultaneously as well. Like I said, you can use your solar power. So like I do a lot of hiking as well. You've seen the videos. So I feel like something like this, it helps a lot. Especially if you're low on charge, you open it, you get the charge done, and you essentially call it a day and go from there. So yeah, overall, I hope you guys like this review, found it helpful and whatnot. If you did, overall, smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. And that FNH out. Peace.